Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to direct selection tool in Photoshop. Okay, step 1, hold Ctrl and select object. Click, hold Ctrl, select object. Hold Ctrl S for unselect. See this selection tool, rectangular marquee tool. Select and hold Ctrl S and select. Elliptical, hold Shift, fix size. Hold Shift, then see this fix size and do not click. Hold Shift, custom size selection. Single row marquee tool, pixels, select. Okay, and see this right click on your mouse quick selection tool. See this quick selection tool. Right click mouse magic wand tool, single selection and multiple selection. Okay, hold Ctrl S and right click on your mouse, select pen tool, path, and see this path selection. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Control D, one do not affect it, edit. Okay.